Show baby grandpa. Okay, show baby grandpa. Show her the picture of grandpa. Is that grandpa there? Jack, show Abby grandpa. Is that grandpa there too?
No.
Is that grandpa?
Out.
Okay, you don't need to take it out. You can show baby there. Okay. Can Mom help you?
Mom.
Okay. Daddy will help you.
Here, go show the baby.
Show baby grandpa. See, that's grandpa. See? See grandpa? Show her grandpa. That's grandpa. Show me grandpa. Can I see grandpa's picture? Let me see. That's grandpa. That's right. Say hi, grandpa.
Baby.
There. That's nice, Bubby.
Baby.
Can I see your face? Can you say hello? Hi, grandpa. Say hi to grandpa. We're going to send this to grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa Abby. Can you smile? Where's the smile?
Baby.
That's the baby. That's right, Jack. We're going to send that to Grandpa so he can see what the baby looks like. Yeah.
Dumb.
There's the baby down there.
Dumb.
Yeah. Okay, stop. Okay, yeah. Thank you, Jack. Okay, bye, Grandpa. Say bye, Grandpa. Say bye.